Good morning, students. Welcome back to learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 20D of the topic menstruations. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, one side of a right angle triangle scarf is 80 centimeter and its longest side is 1 meter. Find its cost at the rate of 250 rupees per square meter. So here rate given per square meter. So all data convert into meter. Or here given the figure right angle triangle. So draw a right angle triangle here. Name ABC. Here longest side means hypotenuse means 90 degree के सामने वाला. Given 1 meter means BC is equal to 1 meter. One side of a right angle triangle scarf is 80 centimeter. Either AB or AC, right? 80 centimeter. So we take AB is equal to 80 centimeter. Centimeter convert into meter, be divided by 100. We get 0.8 meter. Is it clear? So find here AC by Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, AC is equal to a square root BC square minus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Here BC is equal to 1, a square of 1. Here AB is equal to 0.8, the square of 0.8. A square of 1, a square of 0.8 means 8 into 8, 64. We write 0.64. We subtract here and get 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 6, 3 means 0.36. A square root of 0.36 we get 0.6 meter. The area of right angle triangular scarf is equal to half into product of its legs. Legs means हाइपोटेनस को छोड़ के रिमेनिंग जो दोनों साइड होता है उसको बोलते हैं लेग्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो हियर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स 0.6 into 0.8, 2 से 0.4, 6 4 जा 24 means 0.24 a square meter. So find the cost at the rate 250 rupees per square meter. So the cost is equal to here total area 0.24 square meter into rate given 1 square meter is equal to 250 rupees. B multiply the here 0 तो right here 0. 25 into 24, 25 4 जा 100, carry 10, 25 to जा 50 और plus 10 60. Here decimal after 2 digit. So put here 60.00 means 60 rupees. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 30:40:50 and its perimeter is 84 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. The first of all, we let the sides of triangle is equal to 30:40:15. The ratio destroy 30x, 14x and 15x. This type draw a triangle. Name ABC. Side given 13x, 14x and 15x. There is a scalene triangle. So in this case, we use the Hero's formula. Is it clear? In question, given perimeter is 84 centimeter. Given perimeter is equal to 84 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of the length of its boundary. The here given 13x plus 14x plus 15x is equal to 84 centimeter. 13 plus 14 we get 27. 27 plus 15 we get 42. X is equal to 84. Therefore, x is equal to 84 upon 42. We get 2. 42 to 84. So here sides we 13x means 13 into 2 26 centimeter. 14x 14 into 2 28 centimeter. And 15x 15 into 2 30 centimeter. So here find the area of the triangle. So we use the Hero's formula. Hero's formula, first we find semi perimeter. The S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. S for semi perimeter means perimeter का आधा. Means here perimeter 84, the semi perimeter 42. Yeah, find otherwise sum of all sides upon 2. So here all sides 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2 is equal to 84 upon 2 is equal to 42. The area of triangle is equal to a square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here put the value here. S is equal to 42. 42 minus, we let the side here A, B, C. So here A is equal to 13x means 26 here. Next 42 minus 28. And last 42 minus 30. Is it clear? Next step, 42 into 42 minus 26 we get 16. Is it clear? Into 42 minus 28 we get 14. Into 42 minus 30 we get 12. 42 we write 14 into 3. Is it clear? Into 16, right? 4 into 4. Here 14 as usual, right? Or 12 we write 4 into 3. Is it clear? All here numbers in a square root. The two numbers become out one numbers here. The 14, 2 times in a square root, write 1 times. 3, 2 times here, write 1 times. 4 here 2 times, write 1 times. Here 4 only 1, a square root of 4, we get 2. So 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, so here 14 into 24, 14 4s are 56, carry 5, 14 2s are 28 plus 5, 33, 336 a square centimeter. This is your required area. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonal BD is equal to 24 centimeter, AL is perpendicular to BD and CM is perpendicular to BD such that AL is equal to 5 centimeter and CM is equal to 8 centimeter. So here find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonal BD, there are two triangles formed, ABD and BCD. When we find the area of this triangle and that triangle, their sum will be area of quadrilateral ABCD. So here find area of quadrilateral ABCD, area of triangle. Here first triangle ABD, this triangle, plus area of triangle BCD. When we find the area of both triangle and added, we get area of quadrilateral ABCD. Is it clear? We know that with respect to height, the area of triangle ABD half into base into height, half. Here base, the height, draw the sides BD. The here base will be BD into AL, height, plus area of triangle BCD, half, into base, height drawn on side BD, we take BD, into height CM, half. BD is equal to given 24 centimeter, AL is equal to 5 centimeter, half into BD 24 centimeter, CM 8. Here 12 2 ja, here 12 2 ja, 12 5 ja 60 plus 12 8 ja 96. Both will be added, we get 156 a square centimeter. This is your required area. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 20D with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.